Okay, so yan guys. Alright, so we're almost done sa optimization. Okay, so welcome to our next topic, which is the image optimization. Okay, yan. Alright, so these are the requirements naman pagdating sa mga images. Okay, so main image, okay, should have a white background and fill at least 85% of the image space. Okay, so most of the time main image yung nagdadala ng mga product. Okay, kumbaga dun tumataas yung click-through rate natin or CTR pag maganda yung ating main image. Kaya dapat talaga is makapag-provide yung supplier natin or tayo ng magandang main image. Okay? Yan. Alright. Now, we have to use 2000 by 2000 pixels and that JPEG format to increase distinct quality. Okay? And the images should be clear, okay, informative, and attractive. Yan yung talagang requirements ng mga images natin. Okay? Alright. Now, okay? So, pagdating sa product detail page, okay? So, we have format pagdating din sa images. We need 7 images. Okay? Yan. So, first of all, andyan si one main image. Okay? So, kailangan meron tayong one main image. This is a perfect sample ng main image. As you can see, yan, almost 85% talaga is yan, kitang-kita dun sa main image. Okay? Yan. The next one is we need to have 2 product images. Okay? Yung 2 product images na to, as you can see, yan, ito is galing to or it should define your bullet points. Okay? So, kung ano yung bullet points nyo, kung ano yung product and features dun sa bullet points, make sure na ma-represent nyo siya dito sa product image. Okay? So, that's your product image. Okay? So, kailangan ng 2 product image. Okay? Isang main image, 2 product images. Okay? Alright. Now, next is we need to have 2 lifestyle images. So, paano ba ginagamit tong product na to in a day-to-day basis? Okay? So, dapat is ma-represent din natin siya. How did it affect or paano siya ginagamit nga sa pangkaraniwang buhay. Yan. Okay? Ano yung yung purpose niya sa araw-araw. Okay? So that's your lifestyle image. Okay? Alright. Next or last is okay. So kailangan natin din ng 2 infographics. Okay? So dun sa infographics is yung mga hidden features niya or hidden details dapat is ma-represent natin. Okay? So as you can see here, siyempre, dun sa picture, hindi naman nila alam kung gano'n yung thickness, yung width, okay? Yung height. So, dito sa infographics, we have to make sure na nare-represent siya talaga. Okay? Or, yan, na naipakita nyo mabuti kung ano yung another or hidden details ng ating mga product. Okay? So, that's your infographics. Alright? So, yun guys. That's how you fully optimize yung ating images. So make sure na you follow that format. Meron tayo dapat 7 images. Okay? If you do have questions, clarification, please feel free to ask me during the live session. Okay? So, alright. I'm gonna see you on the live and thank you again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.